So I'll little bit introduce myself and my community and this collaboration regarding from the 𝗟𝗘𝗪𝗧. Okay. So basically, I run one community. The name was Data Science Need Data Community, and basically in this community, we providing the weekend workshops and paid lectures and short projects regarding from the Power BI, Tableau, Excel, SQL, all data analytics module. And we cover a daily basis project on different modular interview question preparation in our WhatsApp groups. So you can join our WhatsApp group for better understanding the data science and data analytics. After the end of the session, I'll show you the all the groups and LinkedIn profiles and the LinkedIn groups that will be joined and that will be getting the proper output resource from the data science and data analytics field. And I thank you from the Shai Prakash to inviting me as a speaker on this collaborations. And thank you so much for his followers to join the session.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Shai.
Yeah,
And so let me share my screen. I'll just explain you regarding the Power BI. Okay. So anyone know the Power BI? Hello. Yeah. So screen is visible for everyone. Okay, great. So basically, in this lecture, I'll cover this dashboard, how to you can build these types of dashboard with help of simple drag and drop option in a Power BI. Okay. So you can basically first understand the data and that you can create these types of dashboards within a minutes. Okay. So when I just explain you, you can understand all the concept regarding this Power BI, how to create the titles, cards, pie chart, line chart, column cluster chart, tree maps, table charts. That will be getting the idea regarding from this chart. Okay. And I just little bit introduce where you can download the Power BI software, and that will be getting some notes from regarding Power BI. So here you can see this website. I just only write down the Power BI desktop. Okay. So when I just open this website, microsoftpowerbi.com, when you click on this Microsoft Power BI download option, the screen interface will be open and you can download this dashboard on this Microsoft Power BI dashboard. So you can download your dashboard in this platform. You can click on this download button. It will be downloading. Because I already downloaded in my device, so no need to download. You can only download in this setup. It's hardly taking 4 to 5 steps for downloading this Microsoft desktop. Okay, Microsoft Power BI desktop have different versions like mobile applications, premise gateway, and the report server and report public builders. So these types of dashboard will be required in the industry level that will be work in large database and will be handling the live report to sharing your client and your particular companies to other companies. So that types of application will be required. And when you're doing some editing in your phone, so that will be required Microsoft Power BI mobile applications. Okay. So you can download. So for this session that you want to practice in a Power BI, so you want to join. You only download this Power BI desktop. Okay. And so when you click on this download button, it automatically switch into the Microsoft Power BI store because I already downloaded. So it will be showing the error in my device. So you can download with Microsoft store also. And one more thing, I'll just update you. And if you want to learn the Power BI from the beginner to advanced level, so for the notes, the Microsoft will be providing the particular step-by-step guidelines and notes on this Microsoft blog. So you can start the Power BI. Here you can click on this particular single topics and that will be getting the idea on Power BI module. You can see the get started with Power BI, what is a Power BI, what is a Power BI desktop mobile server application that I'll explain in starting of the downloading introduction. So you can getting the idea from this website. Okay. Sai, I request you please download this lecture. That maybe some students will be not be joined, so that will be getting the output from the recording. Okay.
yeah, bro. I'm recording it.
Okay. Thank you. So you can learn this Power BI on this particular platform also, Microsoft. Okay, that will be getting the properly idea to the Power BI, and you can take the challenges for also. So you can register to this particular website. So regarding from the downloading, regarding from the notes, all the concept I'll be clear in front of you. Now I'll start how to build a Power BI dashboard So I'll open. When you download this Power BI, this types of pop-up symbol will be available in your taskbar. You can open, and this types of interfaces will be open in a Power BI device. Okay. So basically, first starting your Power BI, you first understand the know the data. Okay, so this data type that will be used. So first I'll explain you the data. Okay, so when I just click on this tab view option, the data set will be open and the particular columns and that value are easily visible. So here you can see the customer ID, gender, male, senior citizen, partner, dependents, tenure, phone services, multiple lines, internet servers, online security, online backup. So these types of raw data will be available. But after that, I convert to the visualization. These types of dashboard will be creating on particular the data set. Okay, so data set available in this format. There's some numbering format, string format. Okay, and some other digit will be available, like particularly special symbol dollar sign will be used from total charges. So this type of data that I'll convert easily in this report to view. So it will be getting on Power BI easily. So how to import the data? The first step will be necessary to do to create a dashboard in Power BI. So here is option is available get data. Okay, you can visit after the downloading your Power BI on your device. You can visit the all the section that will be easily getting. It's some points will be related from the Excel. Okay, like insert, modeling, view, and home. So I'll just explain you when you download this Power BI desktop version. So you can first overview the properly interface of the software, and then you can start your learning process. Okay. So you will be getting the basic step-by-step data, how to create the visualization, how to import the data, how to transform the data, how to modeling data, how to editing data. So this concept will be clearly starting that you will be install the Power BI desktop. So I'll just explain you how to import the data. So here's the option available get data. Okay. So get data you can import multiple like types of data, Excel, data flows, SQL server, text, CSV, web. When you click on this web data, you can paste a simple website URL and that website URL will be converted into data form and it will be like available in Power BI device. When you click on this more option, so many data servers are available, so that will be getting the idea. So different types of data like you can import in a Power BI. Here you can see the PDF, JSON, XML, text, CSV, SQL Server, and when I click on database, so you can import the database, different types of database. When I click on this file section, you can see the folder, Paraquat, SharePoint folder, JSON. So many types of data set that you can import in a Power BI. So basically, most of the common data set be available from the practice that you start your journey in Power BI. So I prefer you can only import the CSV and Excel that you can work, and then you expert is getting in this particular two data set. I suggest you can go to the SQL Server database. Okay, because in data analytics, the three major tool is very important to learn your data analytics. First, Power BI. Second, SQL, and third is a Python. Okay, and there is one alternate software also available, Tableau. Tableau also work in visualization tool, but in Power BI, that most simple interface will available, drag and drop option available. You can easily import the data. Okay, and when you select any chart, that will be automatically generated after importing the drag and drop option. So I'll suggest you the Tableau is very simple to learn and easily to understandable. So this portion will be clear for everyone. Now I explain you how to create these types of dashboard in a Power BI. So I basically import the data. Okay, I'll just show you the so first step how to import the data. When I click on this Excel workbook, it automatically detect in my system how many Excel sheet will be available. So you see the automatically detect the Excel sheet. So when I click on this customer crunch data sets, okay, and when I open, it will taking the some time depend on the system capability according to your system. So it will be taking some time. Please wait while we stabilize the connection to the customer dataset Excel format. Okay. So I just only simple. I just go to the get data and I just only select the Excel workbook and the dataset will be available. So it will be taking the time. Basically, you want to start your Power BI journey and that you can install this. So that will be required i5 and the 10th generation your like system configuration. So that will be easily getting the Power BI and that will be easily learn. Okay, and well faster than the other device. So when I just select this customer crunch data set, in this particular folder. Here is the dataset preview will be available in this section. Okay, so when you can load transform data, that will be required some editing, so you can click on this transform data, that you can delete some row, you can delete some null value, you can delete some particular column, so that will be required transform data, and the data already clean, so you can directly import the load the data option. Here is a load data section is available. So I already upload the data set, so no need to you. But for your information, I'll just step by guide you how to import the data set. Okay. You can select other data set also. When I just click on this text CSV, okay. So in my device, it select automatically text CSV data type. Okay. Same process you can follow. You can select the particular data set. You can click on this open button, and it will be automatically showing your device. It will be taking the time. Now here you can see the preview of the data, so you can simply click on this load button and you can import the data set. So after this lecture, I'll share the detail files with you, this pbx file of this Power BI and data set with 𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗧, and you can also join my WhatsApp group, so you're getting the data sets and file. Okay, so after the session, I'll share the drive link also, so you can easily import the data sets.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So one more thing, when you understand the basic data model, so I just click on this table view. After importing the data set, you want to check your data set will be correctly import or not. So you can click on this section like particular table view, and you can analyze the particular data sets, and you can check your particular columns also. Okay, that will be how many columns will be available. So when I just click on this button, you can find this particular data set will be available in your particular columns, particular rows are available. So you can understand the basic data set, and here you can click on this model view, so you can understand the relationship between the data. When you import the multiple data, and that will be connect the multiple data through the relationship. Because I already import the simple data set, only one data set, it will be showing the single module. When you import the other data set, in this site also one data set available, and that will be match the column automatically, that deduct the joins, and that will be getting the relationship between the data. So basic three option will be checked. The first, you can import the data set in your Power BI. First is table view, your model of data, and that report view. So report view will be generated after that curating the report. When you import the data set, the only these types of blank documents will be available on your screen. This blank screen will be available. Okay. When you can simply drag and drop the chart. Okay. So that will be asking about the importing. When I just click on this pie chart. Okay. So here you can see the pie chart overview will be generating, and I only select the simple, only that I drag and drop option, then that will creating the pie chart. So when I take the gender in a legend, drag and drop, okay, and I'll take the totals charge, okay. So total charge, you can see the charts will be created, and secondary value I just want to take about tenure of the year. Uh, so when you import drag and drop the value section, you must be know the value will be in numerical format, not in alphabetical format. Legend, you can select the alphabetical value, that will be male and female, but in the value section you can always use the numerical value. So when I go to my data set, and I'll check which the numerical value will be available. So tenure will be available 111 uh, monthly charge. I'll drag and drop monthly chart, so it will be getting more attractive pie chart. So I'll search the monthly chart in my particular data set. Total charge, backup, online security. Yeah, here you can monthly. So when I drag and drop this monthly charge, and I'll just remove this particular column, and I'll just take one more data set, paperless billing. So when according to data sets, this types of chart will be generating. Okay, when you can hover this particular chart, you can find the mail. The particular monthly charts will be available. It will be showing in this particular area. When you clear the donut chart, it automatically change into the donut chart. Okay, so this types of easily you can click on this particular chart. It's automatically converting the particular chart that will be selected in visualization section. So in visualize section, you can select the any chart. In format section, you can editing in your chart. Okay, so this two tool is very important that time you creating the chart. Right now, I'll just go to the my particular dashboard. So I'll create this, but I'll just create this types of dashboard in help of this particular charts, particular data set, and I just create two dashboard with help of this data set. The first dashboard I will show you. So here you can see one dashboard is also available, customer con dashboard, and this dashboard also. So only the simple drag and drop option will be, I'll just create this types of dashboard, and one more dashboard. I'll share with you the both dashboard to the drive link so you can easily access. Okay. So now I'll explain you how to create these types of dashboard. So first I'll just cover the importing the data set, this table view formatting visuals, okay, and this visualization section. Now I'll just create the dashboard. So first, when you want to like create the title of your dashboard, so first thing that you want to create the title of dashboard, so you can click on this tags box option. Okay, so when you click on this tags box option, your title set will be available, and you can write down the any particular steps in this particular tags box. Okay, so it will be written in alphabetical format, the title, like any title that will be given. So I'll just write some random digits, random particular alphabet. But in this particular dashboard, I'll write this customer crunch dashboard. Here you can see when I just click on again customer, it will be showing in a small sentence. Okay, so when I'll just correct them, okay, so it will be showing this types of title will be easily getting. So you can create the title with help of this, and for this background, okay, when I just create this types of background section, so when you go to the insert section, you can create on this shape option, and you can select the particular shape. Okay, so that you want to select the rectangle, hexagonal, any shape that will be detected. So I already generated this type of shape. I'll show you in the shape section. When you go to the format according to shape, you can change the shape of the particular. So I just select the hexagon. When I just select in owl shape, it will be converted in owl shape. Here you can see when I just click on the outside this particular chart, the particular title will be visible. Okay, and when again I just click on this particular shape format, the title is not be visible. So it depend on the particular size of the dashboard and particular charts that will be visible. But when you click on outside the dashboard, all the reports will easily available, and that easily that you can watch. So when I just click on the shape section, I'll again change. It will be convert into the hexagon. So it will be looking very attractive. And you can go to the rotation, but I don't require the rotation from this. I just only required in a straight line this particular shape. So it will be looking more attractive. So you can go to after that you can importing your data set for the practice. You can I just request you can please try the all the feature of this particular section. So you will be getting more idea from the visualizations. Okay, so when I just shape, you can change the style of this particular. Okay, and you can feel the particular color of this background. When I change the background color, so I'll just select the dark blue, it will be converted into dark blue. Okay, and when I just click on this particular light blue section that we already I'll just create it. So I just click on this section more color, and I just select previous color. Here you can see the looking more attractive than other colors. So you can check the fill section, you can change the color. When I increase the transparency of this, so it will be cover into the another color. Okay, it will be showing that background color inside. But when I reduce this transparency, it will be looking very attractive. So you can select the border color also when you click on this particular border, and you can increase the pixel around 5, so that will be looking more attractive. So you will be getting the output. You here you can see the border color. I'll change the green color, so it will be showing in a green. When I click on this more color, I'll just click on this green section. Here you can see the green color will be changed this particular title border. So only simple step you can follow. You can go to the shape section. You can edit the particular section, and that will be easily getting this types of title in your report page of the Power BI dashboard. Okay. So when I just again select this, and I just click on this general, so that will be required some title effects. So you can select the effect also. Effect section, you can change the background color, transparency, and visual border also, that you can be change color black and white, any other that color that required on your idea according to your concept. So that will be getting more attractive dashboard. Okay. So for this dashboard, I just select only this particular concept. I just delete this section one, so I'll click this particular. So the full report is visible. So first I'll cover this title section, how to generate this types of title in your dashboard, and it's looking very attractive. Now I'll just go to the card visual. Okay, so how can I find this counter of senior citizen, monthly charge, some of the total charge, and tax supports? So basically I just follow the simple step. I just select the card visual. Here you can see when I just click on this card section. Okay, so it automated deducting visualization section, it will be chart. So this chart is card chart. Okay, it will be card section. So it automated, it is a card. When I just click on this particular in this also cards, it will be automatically deduct the card. When I just click on this pie chart, sorry, donut chart, it will automatically deduct the donut chart. When you particular hover in this particular chart, the chart name also available, scatter chart, pie chart, donut chart, so you can get the name of the charts. So when I just click on this card section, so here you will be easily getting the card. Okay, so for this card section, how I generated, so for you I'll just create one random card. Okay, and I just click on this card section. uh, Outside the chart, I'll just over, so it will be looking very attractive, and easily card section will be available. Here you can see the, I'll adjust the size of the card simply. Okay, and same card I generated from this card to deserve. So in this card, when I just click on this, in this card, the senior citizen, I just drag and drop. So in my already data set, the senior citizen columns are available. Okay, so I simply drag and drop. When you check the particular columns in will not be available in data set, so you can go to the table view and you can getting the idea the particular columns are available or not in data set. When the particular column available in this table, so it will be visible on in this section also. That time we will be creating the chart. So senior citizen column also available. Once I'll check here, you can see the senior citizen column also available. So again, I go to the report view section. I'll just simply drag and drop senior citizen. Here you can see the count will be available. Some of the count of senior citizen it will be, and when I just click on this section, okay, when I just click on this particular arrow in right side, so here is available sum, average, minimum, maximum. So I want to find the count, particular count of the citizen will be available in this particular data set. So when I just click on this count section, here you can see the senior citizen will be available 3488. So particular with help of card visual, I'll just only visualize the senior citizen count in a number format in properly. So I just only simply drag and drop the senior citizen in this filled column, and I just click on this particular column right side. So here is some value, will you find sum, average, minimum, maximum. So when you click on this maximum, it will be showing 1, because the data set 1 and 0 value will be available, and when I just click onto the minimum, it will be showing the 0. So you can find any aggregation function like count, minimum, sum with help of this simply card visual. You can easily visualize. So I click on this count section. It will be count the senior citizen will be available. When I change the background color and formatting will be do according to this card and this types of formatting. So I just go to the format visual. When I just click on this call layout, I'll change the color of the font. I'll change the color format like to like particular font. So it will be looking some blue color, light blue color. Okay, and the count of senior citizen. And I want to know the display of the unit. You will be also thousand, millions, and billions and trillions. So it will be easily, you can understand the value 3400. You can easily readable. So it will be only getting the none. So I select the none option. So it will be getting simple value. And when I just go to the catalogs category labels, okay, so category label you can change the color. So when I just see in the green color, so you here you can see the downside title will be changed. The count of senior citizen will be color in green color. When I just click on this bold section, it will be looking attractive. Now you can see the color will be change of this like in categorical label. So you can change the particular label also, the number color also, and you can change the background also. So go to the general section and go to the effect section. You can change the background color of the particular chart. So I just select this button, and I just only for the choose the background color same according to digit. I'll just select the green color. Okay, not the green color. I'll just go to the light blue. This color. So this color here you can see the color will be changed of the according to background. So I want to require according to background color. So here you can see some background color. I'll just mesh according to the background color. So it will be looking more attractive, and the digit and the downside title is easily visible. So here you can see. So this types of you can do in a formatting the card visual, and that you can create the particular card visual is more attractive. So same process you can follow with other cards. Okay, I'll just delete the card for, and here you can see I just only create the same data like card for help of this process that already done in this card. So only I simple drag and drop the monthly charge. When I just click on this section, monthly charge also available in my column. I'll simply drag and drop the monthly charge in the particular column. It will be looking this types of attractive chart will be created. Okay, and then some of the total charge also I create same step I can follow. Tax support also available in my data set. So I'll just simply drag and drop the tag supports and it will be generated. Here you can see the tag support is available. So when you click on this tag support, the simple card visual will be looking attractive. When I just remove the tag support and I simply drag and drop, here you can then know first tag support, it will be alphabetical value. When I just undo section will be do. Yeah, here you can see the tag support will be visible. So I think when I just click on this section, tag support, and I just want to take the data simply tag support. Here you can see I'll just calculate the percentage of tag support. Okay, so when I just click on this section, here you can find I just create with help of formula this tag support DAX formula. So I'll just divide some crunch tag support. Okay, so it will be required some DAX concept. So we'll be covering next lecture. In this lecture, I'll just simply cover the dashboard drag and drop option. Okay, so when you want, if you want to learn DAX, so please you can join my WhatsApp group. So we are providing the weekly workshop on DAX. Okay, starting the data modeling and DAX part, so you can easily getting some idea of DAX concept. DAX is a programming language that will be used in a mathematical operation that you can perform and that will be create a new measure in Power BI. So we can require the DAX function. So simple, I just create these types of particular buttons, types of cards with help of only this card visual. Okay, and I just go to this format visual and I'll just change the particular setting of this particular visualization layout changing, and that you can create these types of attractive card visual. Now I'll go to this particular slicer, like how can I do these types of male and female button. So here you can see my in my dataset gender option will be available. Okay, so I'll just select the slicer. Okay, and slicer you can select and you can drag and drop simple gender in a slicer. Here you can drag and drop gender in a slicer. So this types of interface will be created. Okay, when you can simply drag and drop the gender, this types of interface will be created. So you can go to the format visual and you can go to slider setting. You can change the style of the slicer. When you can use in vertical list, it will be available in vertical list. You can drag and drop the male and female also available. When you can change the style of the title drop and down, it will be available in drop and down. You click on this all button, it will be available in drop and down section. Okay, for this visualization I'll just click on the style button, so it will be looking this types of button attractive. When I just click on this female section, the all the value will be changed. When I just click on this male section, the all value will be changed, the charts also will be changed. So when I just click on this female section, it will be count the citizen females, senior citizen, and the monthly charge of females. Some of the total charge will be spent by the females, and tax support, how many females will be available in tax supports percentage it will automatically getting. So this data will be interconnected to each other column, so that will be getting this types of attractive dashboard. Okay, and you can change the background color. Same process you can follow. You can go to the general visual. Okay, you can change the background color also. When I just click on this green color, here you can see the little bit of green color will be showing. And I just reduce the transparency. Here you can see the green color will be visible. When I increase the transparency, the green color will not be visible because I select the background color. Second most important thing, when you want to change the same, when you want to do like you want to create same like this types of cards. So when you can select this card and you get into the format printer, and when you click in another chart, so it will be automatically creating all the style and pattern will be do in this particular chart. Here you can click on this chart. The definition will be written a formatting of something you want to document. You can use the format printer to apply that you look to another content. So when you can change the particular in this content and you can click on this format printer, the all style pattern color will be automatically referred to the in this pattern. Okay, so you will be help of this simple step. You can easily change, copy paste them, and you can change the same pattern of the style in all cards. Now I'll just explain you how to create this types of donut chart. So simple, I go to this format visual, I'll just select the donut chart. In a donut chart, in a legend section, I'll update security and online backup. So these types of dataset, this dataset column also available in my that online backup and online security. So this dataset will be available in alphabetical format. So here you can see the online security yes and no format will be available. So this types of, you can see the color, the yes color also will be light blue and no color will be dark blue, and orange color will be no internet. So online security, the three data set will be available, yes, no and no internet available. I'll show you in my data set. online security, the three columns are available: yes, no, and no internet services. So here you can see the report view. It will be easily, you can find only three columns: yes, no, and no internet security will be available. So this types of chart will be easily created when I simply drag and drop this alphabetical values type of data in legend section, and some of the total charge I'll drag and drop in a value section. Total charge, already total charge will be available. When I just click on this section, I'll just select the sum option. Okay, I'll just select the average, minimum, maximum, but I want to require sum total of the particular charge, so that type I'll select only sum section. So it will be getting this types of attractive chart. When I just click on this drill up and drill down feature, so it will be automatically, first it will be showing the online security, and then now it will be showing the online backup. Here you can see the change online backup. When I just click on drill up, it will be showing the online security data set. When I just drill down, it will be showing the online backup. So in a one single chart, I'll just only create the two data set concept in a single chart: online security, online backup. When you hover the particular column, you can find the particular total charge will be in value format, and percentage also will be available 46.16%, and online security will be available yes and no. When you click on this section, so you can also getting the particular yes and no section in this particular chart. So in Power BI, you can easily getting the large data in a simple visualization format and value format. So you can easily getting this types of report, and everyone will be understand. When data set be available in this types of raw format, so it's not too difficult to understand the particular column. But when I generate this types of reports, you can easily getting the particular senior citizen available in your data set. You can find the total charge, monthly charge will be taking from the internet support around this. Some of the total charge will be available, tax support, how many percentage will be required. So these types of visualization you can easily create, and you will be getting the proper output and proper answer, and that will be create some strategy regarding your businesses. So these types of dashboard will be getting for helpful your business grow and for understanding the data. Now I'll explain you this types of how to generate this types of line chart. Okay, so basically in this line chart, I'll just require this chart. Here you can see the chart name is line chart. Okay, when I just drag and drop here, yeah. So in x-axis, I'll just only drag and drop the tenure of the year. Okay, so in my data set, the tenure of the year will be available. Here you can see last the tenure of the year will be available. I only simply drag and drop the tenure of the year in x-axis, and the y-axis I'll just drag and drop the monthly charge. Okay, so I'll just simply drag and drop the monthly charge. It will be showing the monthly charge, and in secondary y-axis you can simply drag and drop the total charge. Okay, so total charge you can drag and drop in secondary axis. It will be looking very attractive. So here is this types of chart will be generating for this data adding. So secondary axis will be total charge. Okay, so secondary axis will be showing this line, and x axis and y axis will be available. So in y axis the tenor will be available, x axis is monthly charge will be available. Go to the simple format visual, and you can change the particular axis. And I just click on this x axis column. Okay, I can change the color of axis. I want to require it like a green color. Okay, and I just simply grab a red color. Okay, so here you can see the x axis color will be changed in the red format. When I just click on this yellow, it will be changed in yellow color. Okay, when I click on this particular green, it will be changed in a green color. So I'll do the coloring in x-axis, go to the x-axis section. So you want to change the value, and go to the value section, and you can change the value. When you can drop down, and you can find the title also. So you can change the title color also, and you can add the title. So when I just click on this orange button to change in a green color, so here you can see the title label also will be covered in a tenure of the year. You can see the small the heading will be available. Tenure of the year automatically change. And I just bold, it will be bold. It will be showing the bold. Okay, I'll change the layout also. So and I just increase the pixel. Here you can see the layout will be chart will be changed. I'll just go to the previous 24 pixels, so it will be looking more attractive and understandable. Same process you can follow for the y-axis, that will change the any value and any range on the y-axis. You can go to the value section, and when you can change the y-axis color, you want to require some these types of dark. Okay, so here you can see the y-axis color will be changed. Title of y-axis will change. When I just simply select the color, this color. Okay, here you can see the color will be changed on a y-axis. So I'll just select the some dark color, so it will be getting more attractive and looking more attractive. So I'll just click on this star section. Here you can see the dark color will be changed. and you can change the display of the units that will be required millions and trillions and thousands. So I want to require 1,000, so it will be converted in 1,000. It will be showing the k like 60k, 40k, 20k, and I just click on this million section. It will be showing in a million format. 0.06 million, 0.04 million. So I just required only k format, 1,000 format, so it will be looking understanding for everyone. And again, I just go to the title section. You can change the title. Secondary y-axis you can also change. So secondary y-axis, when I just go to the value section, okay, I'll just change the color. When I just create the green color, here you can see the secondary y-axis green color also available in this section. So getting the green color, and you can select the display of unit in millions or thousands, so it will be looking 1,000. Here you can see the 1,000, 4k, 4,000, 3,000, 4,000. So you can easily getting the monthly charge of the total charge according to the tenor. And when you can hover the particular line chart, you will be getting some output and input, okay, increasing and decrement of the particular charges in according to the tenure of the year and monthly charges. So when I hover in this section, you can see the 1 year, less than 1 year tenure, the monthly charge around 62,000, and the total charge will be required in a millions. So you can easily getting the particular charge, monthly charge, and total charge according to the year with help of the line chart. So simply that you can easily understand when you hover the particular column. And when you can click on this grid line, zoom line, so many features are available you can change. When I just click on this marker section, so in a marker section you can see change the particular marker. Here you can see the star will be available and the triangles. When I just click on this dot button, it will be available some circle. Okay, I increase the particular pixel of the particular size, it will be showing the increasing. Here you can see increase, and when I decrease, it will be decreasing. So pixel you can fix the according editing you can do according your idea, your thoughts, your mindset. So you can create this types of attractive dashboard. Same, I just create these types of chart. Okay, when I just go to the simple in a stack bar chart, I just create this types of stack bar chart. Simply I have y-axis, I just drag and drop the payment method. Here data set will be available, payment method I'll drag and drop, and x-axis I'll just simply drag and drop the total sum of the charge. You can select the average also, it will be showing the average. When you click on this particular count section, it will be looking the count, and when you click on the sum, it will be automatically generating the sum section. Okay, so it will be showing the particular charge. When you can just click on this particular chart, particular columns, so you can find the bank transfer will be required, some of the total charge, payment method in bank transfer around $2 million. Okay, and these types of sum of total charge required, this, so you can change the value of total charge according to your idea basis. So this type of simple same formatting I can do. Go to the format section, you can change the y-axis and x-axis pattern. That will be easily getting the idea on this particular chart. You can easily understand. You can change the value of the format when you click on this value section. Okay, and you can drag and drop, and you can change the value of color. So for this value, I just required this color. So here you can see some value changes in the downside. I'll just fix this chart. Yeah, here you can see it is easily available, the 2 million and 0.1 million. When you click on this section, okay, this portion focus mode, so the chart will be visible in this pattern. Okay, so here you can find the particular chart. You can understand for full overview, so you can click on this full section button, and this types of chart will be visible on your report view page. And you can go to the back report, it will be automatically showing these tabs, and the old report will be available of the regarding the charts. Okay, so you can change the value of the decimal places also in required. After here you can change the decimal value also changes to 1.0, 1. This types of value will be available. You can select the particular value in a bold format, so it will be looking bold. I just select SIGOI UI bold. Here you can see the value will be in bold pattern. I change the color yellow, it will be looking understanding. Yeah, here you can yellow color will be looking much better. So you can do this types of editing in format visual, and you can create the chart. Go to the build visualization tools. Okay, and you can create these types of chart. And when you want to understand all the chart concept, I'll upload the lecture on YouTube in the data community. You can, I'll explain all the chart, how to create a step column chart, bar chart, and cluster bar charts. You can watch on YouTube also, and you can getting the basic idea of how to create the chart in a Power BI. Now I'll go to this section, how to create these types of attractive tables. So in this table chart, I'll just only drag and drop customer ID, gender, online backup, paperless billing, phone service, partner, online security, internet service, and tenure. Okay, so you can easily getting. So this chart I just create with help of this table chart. Here you can see the table available. So I'll simply drag and drop this particular column: internet service, take a partner, paperless billing, online security backup. So this types of table automatically generated. Okay, for the your explanation, I'll just drag and drop the total charge in this. So here you can see the total chart also available. When I just increase the chart size, here you can see the total charts also available. Okay, this column I'll in front of you. I'll drag and drop. When I just remove this column, it will be not be visible. Only tenure will be visible. So you can simply drag and drop, and this you can when you first select this table chart and you simply drag and drop, you can create this types of table chart. For editing of this table chart, you can go to the this format visual and you can select the visual pattern. You can change the style pattern, grid value. Okay, if you want to require this different green color, so some green color will be visible. I'll just select this chart section and I'll just select the yellow, dark yellow. It automatically showing this chart. Okay, I'll just reduce the size of this chart. Yeah, this way. And when I just click on this chart, okay, so you can find the particular color. When I just click on this green color, it will be showing any color. I think some error in the setting. Let me check. Okay, so what is the issue we'll be facing in this particular tenure, year, and monthly and total charge? And I just click on this particular table chart. I'll just reduce the size of this chart so it will be getting the proper idea. Yeah, now it's automatically selected this table chart. I go to this format visual and the value section. Here you can see the text color that will be fixed according to you. Black, you, okay. Column headers you can select the color bold, attractive. When you can change the text color of the column header, green, it will be showing in a green color. Here you can see the column header will be changed. You can change in a other color, like you want to require red color, it will be showing in a red color. Okay, when you switch the color in a dark blue, it will be showing in a dark blue. Okay, when you change the background of the color, so you want to require some this color, so the background color also change. So I'll simply want to require this types of background color. Here you can see the background color also change. I want to require the black color in the background. Here you can see the black color of the column will be changed. I only required yellow color, so that will be yellow color will be changed in the background. So you can change the background color setting and the go to the format visual. You can check the all option. You can change the specific column that will be changed. You want to require header, footer, so you can change this particular column values, text color, URL, image size also that you can be changed. When I go to the general section, I go to the effect section. Okay, so you want to change the background color of this particular, so already in a dark blue it will be changed. When I just reduce the transparency, here you can see the background will be changes, some effect will be showing. Here you can see this particular shadow types, the background color will be changed. You can change the border icon, title, so you can on off particular section, the title will be on and off. Here you can click the title button. When you can increase the size, you can find the particular title of this chart. Okay, so all the process you can done easily with help of this Power BI. Okay, and here is the particular tree map chart. Okay, and I simply drag and drop in this chart section, you can find the particular tree map chart. So here you can find this particular tree map, so you can easily getting the which types of internet service will be provided higher. So in particular data set, the fiber optic internet service is much like in a greater amount. Okay, that's very expensive. The particular sales of the internet service, the fiber optics is much like much more sales in this particular data set, and the billing is paperless billing will provide. Then some of the total charge required this, and then second is DSL internet service that will provide the paperless billing. And when you click on this internet, this section of the internet service DSL, so you can find the DSL internet service, and you can getting the paperless billing also. You can getting the idea of paperless billing. So simply I just select this types of tree map When you click on the tree map section, and the tree map will be created. In a catering section, you can provide the internet services. In a detail section, you can provide the paperless billing and value that will be required, some of the total charge. So these types of attractive chart will be generated, and when you can hover the particular column, so you can getting idea and knowledge of the particular column of the data set. When you click on this particular column of the hover, like internet service and fabric, okay, so you will be getting idea and fabric and internet option. Like when I just click on the simple internet service in fabric optics, it will be showing the detail, total charge and internet service type. And when I just click on this particular portion, DSL, it will be looking other color, and it will be providing the detail of internet service will be available DSL format and paperless billing. So these types of tree map that will be creating, and you can go to the format visual and you can change the color also this particular tree map. So I just clear the green color also. Here you can see the green color also available. For this color, I just want to require red color. Okay, uh, dark red. So it will be getting the dark color. Okay, so you can change the color, and if you want to require data labels, so when you hover the particular value, it will be looking the data labels. Change the color yellow. Uh, so here you can find the data labels color, yellow color. Okay, here is the data label color. Color is available. So you create these types of simple chart. Only drag and drop step I can follow, and I just create these types of chart. Okay, simply. And when you are beginner in a Power BI, so it will be required around 1 to 2 hours that will be getting understand the data, all concept, editings and formatting and visualization that will be required. So you will be getting knowledge. So it hardly taking if you want to do 1 hour daily to learn Power BI. So I just challenge you around 12 to 13, yeah, 14 day, maximum 14 day, you can will be easily understand the Power BI, and you can easily build these types of chart in a Power BI. So any doubt regarding from this session that you won't be facing any difficulty and doubt, please let me know. Next session I cover the DAX concept, data modeling concept and Power Query editor. Okay. So I just little bit introduce my community and that my profile, so that will be easily. If you have any doubt and difficulty, so you can let me know. So I'll update you. Okay. I'll just reply your all the concept and where you can find the free resources of data science, data analyst material. So for if you want to learn like full stack and web development, okay, so you can go to this 𝗟𝗧𝗪𝗏. Okay, today we can collaborate with 𝗟𝗪𝗏. So if you want to require any knowledge of the full stack and developers, okay, and development field, so you can you can getting the idea from the 𝗟𝗪𝗏. 𝗟𝗪𝗏 will definitely guide you. And if you want to switch career in the particular in this field, so you can getting the properly output. Okay, and if you want to require some data science and data analysis concepts, so you can go to the my profile. Okay, you can find so many different project regarding. Okay, so I am ex data analyst training in XLR, and I am expertise in Power BI, Tableau, and Python and SQL also. And here is my community that will be getting. I registered my community, so you can get properly sources, and we launch our data analyst course. Okay, at 10th already started. And when you require some Python knowledge, so you can click go to the my YouTube channel. Okay, and you will getting the particular the Python core Python lecture I already started, so you can getting the idea of over the core Python. Okay, and if you want to require some study resource and material, so when you can go to the particular about like post section, and you can getting so many different projects will be available. So you can go to the post section, and here you can update regarding if you want to require any updatation required collaborations and workshops and particular notes. Here is a medical insurance project also, and 2 days ago so I just post this medical cost analysis project in Python. So data sets, for you required data set, you can DM me in LinkedIn. Okay, and you can also write the comment box your mail ID, so I'll share with the data sets and Python file. So if you required any project, please let me know. I'll providing all the resources as soon as possible that will be on getting on my side. Okay, and one more important news for you. And 3rd of June we are conducting same workshop regarding on generative AI. The trainer will be Nikhilesh. He have expertise and he was written in IMA and IIT also that will be written, and he also knowledge about the generative AI. He's a corporate trainer. So if you want to switch your career in a generative AI, so this person is properly guide you. So 3rd June 8 p.m. same timing, that will be session will be conducted. Okay, so be ready for this workshop also, and you can join our WhatsApp group. Okay, so that will be getting the proper data. Here is a WhatsApp group. You can getting the projects, different projects and workshop update details, and all the free lecture resources you can getting in this particular WhatsApp group. So around 3 WhatsApp group will be available, and here is our one batch also will be conducted 18 by data analyst weekend batch. Okay, so in this weekend batch we providing all the resources regarding from the data science and data analytics. So you will be getting output and properly sourced. Okay, so this batch only the will be starting only starting the 10 seats batch from the data analyst weekend batch. So you want to join, and you will be getting properly idea regarding from the data analyst field. In this batch, I'll cover the 5 domain of the data analytics like Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Python, and Excel. Okay, and the project also cover placement support also providing in this batch. So if you want to data analyst and then make your switch your career in the data analyst field, so I'll suggest you please join this batch, and you will getting the proper idea about the data science and data analytics. Any other doubt regarding from this workshop and upcoming workshop in this session?
Uh, One of the student is asking that which one is better among Tableau or Power BI?
Okay, so what is the most used on Tableau and Power BI? So depend on your capability and your standard and your thinking visualization. Power BI is a Microsoft. Okay, so you can easily access so many Microsoft tools and Microsoft servers like Microsoft Azure, SQL database, and Excel and CSV file. You can easily import, and you can creating the dashboard. But in Tableau, that will be required third-party software. Okay, from creating the database. Another like MySQL, Oracle. This types of database server will be required. Power BI, you can easily simply drag and drop option will be available, and the charts also available. But in Tableau, you want to create the chart according your thoughts and mind. You can drag and drop value on x-axis, and you can change the particular value, like you can increase and decrease the value. So this types of chart will pie chart will be creating. So in Power BI, you can simple step, you can drag and drop, that will be pie chart will be created. But in a Tableau, it's too difficult to creating the pie chart. You can fix the value of the range in x-axis 0 and y-axis 0. Then you can again select the one x-axis and y-axis value from the secondary chart section. So I my opinion, from my idea, I prefer you Power BI. But according your thoughts, your learning capability, you want a skill, you want to do the Tableau also and Power BI also. So depend on your capability. But Power BI is more simple. Most of the Indian company will be use Power BI because Microsoft will be providing open source free, and Tableau you want to require it. So for student ID, you will be getting the access from the 1 year free access. Okay, so it will be required Tableau dashboard. Tableau server will be available online, but you want to require Tableau desktop. So it will be getting from the 1 year. That will require some student ID and a professional organization ID. Okay, that will be regarding from the student ID card that will provide by the college, and any professional ID card that will be registered on the Tableau community server. Like your company will be registered in Tableau community server, so it will providing the 1 year free access resources. Next year we will be getting some pad, but in Power BI not be required.
Okay.
So if these doubts will be clear, hello, please repeat this introduction. I am late.
Um,
Sir, any tool where we can show the report, just show the project or resume. Any tool where we can show the reports. You can use the Power BI, so you can easily create this types of report easily. Okay, you can also create dashboard according to your resume. Okay, when you import your data set according to your resume, that you can create these types of resume also. Who know the Tableau will learn Power BI easily. uh, I prefer Tableau also good tool because they will be handling large database. Power BI not have capacity to handling much more large database. Okay, that will also require the paid version, but Tableau will be easily handling the large database. Both are visualization tool, depend on your requirement of the company. That some of the company will be work on Tableau, some of the company will work on Power BI. Okay, so when you want to purchase the Power Base or the different resources available, you can access the free Microsoft Store application. Okay, the Microsoft providing the free access domain at the like your name email domain. like my name is 𝗲𝗪𝗪𝗧@gmail.com. So Microsoft will be providing 𝗲𝗪𝗪𝗧@microsoft.com, this types of mail ID, that company server mail ID also providing. So features and capability depend on the particular system, okay, particular applications that will be required. Both tool are great for the learning, for understanding the visualization concept, okay. I just suggest you, when you beginner want to learn visualization tools, I suggest you the Power BI. Any other doubt? Okay, so I'll just getting feedback on your side about this session. So I'll just telling the name of the person, and please unmute yourself and give me the feedback. Okay. Uh, Rakesh, Rohit Verma,
Yes, sir. Session is nice.
Srinivas. I think you joined late.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
It's good. I
Hello.
understand a few concepts I don't know. I know a Power BI before, but I don't know few topics. You understand? Understand now it's clear. Thank you for this session.
Thank you for your feedback, brother.
I don't know the shapes or how you framed that one, right? I don't know that
Okay.
one. Thank you for this session to
Okay. Thank you.
the
Thank you so much, brother.
presentation. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you for your feedbacks. And anyone have doubt regarding from the career, regarding from the data science or data analyst, please let me know in my WhatsApp group. I'll share some link with you. You will be getting the proper output.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Yes,
पुष्पराज
Rohit. Yes, Rohit.
सर आप वैसे डेटा एनालिस्ट की नई पेज स्टार्ट करोगे
Yes, Rohit.
सो सर प्लीज लेट मी नो आई वांट टू जॉइन योर्स
Basically, the batch will be started on already started on 18th May, and it's a weekend batch that will be available on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and the trainer who already work in the field of data science and data analyst field, so the all are available in weekend basis. So that particular person will be taking our session. Okay, and we cover all the 5 modules on the data analyst module, like Power BI, Python, SQL, Excel, Tableau. Okay, and the project also that will be covered on all module: Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Excel, Python. And if you want to switch your career in the field of data science in finance industry, so you will be getting the project regarding from the finance. If you want to switch your career in agriculture field as a data analyst, you will be getting the project from the regarding agriculture. So it's very helpful to grow in your resume, that you will be shortlisted according to your career and your project. And we're providing the placement supports from the different companies pan India. So many companies, startups, and some popular company also available. So for this particular inquiry, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number. I'll paste in the chat box. Okay, so that will be getting the proper idea. Okay, so I'll conduct Google Meet you, and then I explain all the process. Okay, Rohit.
यस सर
Okay. Anyone have doubt? Thank you, Priyal, for joining the session.
Guys, if you anyone joined in the middle of the session, I will provide the recorded session link in our WhatsApp groups or okay, so in our community, so you can just watch this session if you have any doubts. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this session.
Thank you, Sai, for your reporting and your support.
Yeah.
And if you want to that any will be required from the web development knowledge and that full stack knowledge, so you can contact with the 𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗧. 𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗧 definitely properly guide you regarding from the web development career and full stack development career.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Okay.
And
So thank you for joining this session, and
Hello.
please visit our other platforms. Hello.
Internships are available. Regarding data
Internship.
science or data analytics.
Yeah. So internship will be available. July month. Okay, I'll start the internship open for the students. So there is a particular limited seat, around 5 to 7 seat. I'll providing the internship. You can join my community, and we are getting some another project to the client. So you'll be getting experience on the real project also.
It is paid internship or free internship?
Uh, uh, depend on your knowledge. That will be if you are getting some expertise in particular domain. So I will be providing the paid internship, and if you want to learn data science and data analytics, it will be providing the unpaid internship also. And you will be getting the profit divided by on depend on projects. Okay. Thank you, Aniket, for joining the session. Okay, Sai. For my side, that's all. If you have any updates, you can let continue the session.
Yeah, okay, sir. Once again, thank you for joining the session today.
Thank you so much, Sai, for inviting me to the session.
Yeah.
And I just request you please provide the recording to me also. So I'll just share in my community member also, and please share with your connection that will be join late and that will be required some of these types of session recording. Okay.
Definitely, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.